What separates somebody that makes $50,000 a year and someone that makes $300,000 a year in sales? And same company, same opportunity. What's the big differentiators between that in your experience that you've learned?
Process, and it's all process. So like one of my friends, I think he's the greatest quarterback to ever play the game of quarterback in the NFL. He does not wear the number 12. He wears a different number. I think number 12 likes my guy the best. He's not the most chiseled person in the world, but he has a process. He's smart. He looks at things. He understands. Here, the defense is this. They're showing cover zero. Hey, Matt, they're not going to do cover zero because that DB, see how his feet are, he's in the wrong position at the wrong time. If you have a process the same way an athlete has a process, that's what's going to separate somebody from 50,000 to 500,000 to $1 million. There's a lot of people that say I'm great at sales. But if you're like, okay, what do you say to close? Oh, it's not that complicated, right? How do you get somebody's attention? Well, it's different every time. No different than if they're showing cover zero and 52 is Mike and you've got a scat razor 37 called as the play. Any athlete, if you give them a specific situation, they'll go, okay, here's the play to run. So that's what separates people is I coach the same way coaches coach athletes. And this is the system that we're running. This is how we're figuring things out. The other thing I just want to throw in there, because I might not be their guy, and you probably saw this following me. Nothing I teach is about pressure. Nothing I teach is about manipulation. Nothing I teach is about being clever or witty or making somebody feel bad. I'm not going to say that doesn't work. I don't think it does. That never worked for me.